Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a manual, non-electric breast pump in a simple and comfortable way. As you can see, I'm sitting comfortably, and the pump I'm holding is very easy to use. There are no wires, no tubes, and no motor, which makes it perfect for daily use and travel. This type of breast pump works with gentle hand pressure. You control the rhythm yourself, so it feels more natural and comfortable. Because it doesn't need electricity or batteries, it's also very quiet and reliable. The design is simple and clean, making it easy to carry, clean, and store. Many mothers prefer manual pumps for short sessions or when they want something lightweight and stress-free. When using a manual breast pump, it's important to stay relaxed. Choose a comfortable place, sit properly, and take slow, deep breaths. A calm environment can really help make the process easier. This pump is a great option for home use, travel, or as a backup to an electric pump. It gives you full control and flexibility whenever you need it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how a non-electric breast pump works in a simple and clear way.